Here's what you need to know about what is a Bastion host. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A Bastion host is a hardened server placed on the edge of a network to provide secure access from the internet. It acts as the single point of entry for administrators who need to manage internal systems remotely. Because it is exposed to the public internet, it is stripped of all non-essential services to reduce attack surface. Key concept: hardened entry point. A Bastion host is intentionally secured by removing unnecessary software, closing unused ports, and applying strict access controls. Only required services run on it. Key concept: jump server function. Administrators connect to the Bastion host first, then use it to reach internal servers. This keeps internal systems off the public internet entirely. Key concept: placed in DMZ or edge. Bastion hosts are usually placed in a DMZ or directly on the network perimeter. They sit between the internet and the trusted internal network. Key concept: audit and logging. All connections through a Bastion host are logged. This creates a clear audit trail of who accessed internal systems, when, and from where. Let's look at the full breakdown. Standard server, all services enabled, minimal hardening, internal network only, fewer logs required. Bastion host, only SSH RDP enabled, maximum hardening, perimeter DMZ placement, all sessions fully logged. Here's a real-world example. A company has 20 internal Linux servers. Instead of exposing all of them to the internet, they deploy one Bastion host with SSH on port 22. Admins connect to the Bastion host from home, then SSH into internal servers from there. The internal servers have no public IP at all. Quick recap before you go. 1. A Bastion host is a hardened server used as a secure jump point into a network. 2. It sits on the network perimeter or in a DMZ, exposed to the internet. 3. All non-essential services and ports are removed or disabled. 4. Administrators connect to it first, then access internal systems from it. 5. All sessions are logged to maintain a full audit trail. That's what is a Bastion host. Covered. Exam tip. On the exam, Bastion host =, jump server =, hardened perimeter access point. If a question mentions a single secure entry point for remote admin access, the answer is Bastion host. Next up, what is a honeypot? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.